Hi all. Now today we'll discuss how we can create the heap. So let us take this as the example. These are the inputs you have. So how can we start creating a heap? First we are going to consider it one by one. So first we'll take input as f. Right? So I'm going to write it as it is as a root node f. And I will write it in the position 1. This is the first step. Next you have input as D. So what I am going to do, I will write it as a left node. Now D is less than F, so it should it should act as a parent node. So we need to swap it. So you are going to get D here and F here. So what is our heap now? DF, right? So I am going to write it as DF. This is in the second step. Next you have C as the input. So I will write C as the third node. So DF and C will come over here. Now what will happen? Compare these two. C is less than D, so you need to swap it again. So you will get C, F and D. So you will get C, F, D in the array. Next you have G. So what I am going to do? C, F, D is there. Now G will come to the left child as F. So G is greater than F, so it will be there itself, right? No, there is no change. So I can write it as C, F, D and G. So next what will happen? What is the next step? So you have H as the input. So what I am going to do, it will be given to the right side of F. So since F is smaller than H, then no need of swapping. It will be as it is. So I can write it as C, F, D, G, H. Next comes I. So how can where can I put I? After D. So here I can put I. So what will happen? I is greater than D, so there is no swap. I can write it here itself, right? Next comes B. Now what exactly happens? So when you get B as the input, where I am going to put C, F, G, H, here you have D and here you have I. Now here I am going to put B. Now what happened? B is less than D, so you need to swap. So you will get B over here, D over here. Now once again consider these two. B is less than C, so once again you need to swap. So you will get B over here, C over here, D, then here as the other things I, F, G, H. Now what is this? What is the array? You will get B, F, then C, then comes G, H, I, D. Whenever you are writing an array, you need to read like this. First the root, then comes the left child of root, then comes this, then you need to go to the left part and go to right. That is how you are going to write the heap array. What is the next input? You have E as the next input, where you are going to put E to the left of G. E is less than G, so you need to swap. You will get E over here, G over here. Next, E is less than F, you need to swap. You will get F over here, E over here. So what is your new array? New tree. Your new tree is B, E, C, you have F, H and G. Here you have I and D. So what is our array now? B, E, C, F, H, I, D, G. Next, after E you have A. Now when you put A, it will come to this part. So A is less than F, so you need to swap. Here you will get F, here you will get A. A is less than E, so swap. Here you will get E, here you will get A. A is less than B, swap. You will get B, you will get A. So what is our final tree now? You will get A, B, C. Here it is E, H, then you have G, F, here you have I and D. So your final array is the final array is A, B, C, E, H, I, D, G and F. This is after heap sort. I hope this is clear now.